Hi guys! For today's video, samahan nyo akong mag-core workout. Actually, this workout requires a lot of patience kasi ito yung kadalasang mahirap palabasin, ang abs. Bukod sa training sa gym, kailangan mo rin ng determinasyon at discipline para ma-achieve to. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Eric teaches. A lot of you are asking me how I achieved these cuts or these abs na finiflex ko right now. To be honest, you need to train hard and discipline para ma-achieve yung cuts na gusto mo. So, tara! Let's begin with abdominal crunch machine. As one of the major core muscles, abdomen provides stability for the body. A strong back and abs are the foundation of your daily movements and sports performance. Exhale as you come up and keep your neck straight. Chin up. We will do 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, we will do leg raise using bench because the abdominal muscles are used isometrically to stabilize the body during the motion. Leg raises are also often used to strengthen the rectus abdominis muscle and the internal and external oblique muscles. Another 12 reps, 3 sets here. For our third workout, decline sit-up bench. Decline sit-ups are an effective way to work your core, back, and hip flexors. Since you'll be working against gravity as you lift, your muscles will have to work harder. This movement strengthens your core, which helps you develop good posture, balance, and stability. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Then let's do hanging leg raise. The hanging leg raise strengthens your abs and protects your spine using nothing but your own body weight. Shift your weight to your arms so you can safely step off the footrest without falling, and allow your legs to hang straight down beneath you. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Another hanging leg raise using bar. The hanging leg raise is a high-level isolation exercise that helps build the hip flexors and abdominal muscles. All you need is access to a high bar, and you can easily add this exercise to your advanced core workout. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, dumbbell side bend. The dumbbell side bend is one of the best abdominal exercises for toning and strengthening your core. This simple yet effective exercise is a great way to target your obliques, which are located on either side of your stomach. 12 reps, 3 sets here. For the second to the last workout, I brought with me my ab roller wheel. The ab wheel rollout is an exercise targeting the abdominals, often with an inexpensive wheel device with a handle on either side. Many trainers and strength coaches claim it's one of, if not the best exercises for developing strength in the midsection. 12 reps, 3 sets here. For our last workout, we will do another abdominal crunch using bench or seated leg raise waist exercise. Total of 8 programs. To achieve your desired cuts, I advise 2 to 3 times a week nyo tong gagawin. And that's it for our core workout. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Click nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat kong upload. Thank you very much.